Chapter 21, Part 2, Translation. So we'll continue with Winnie the Pooh here. And this first one, we have Il y aura autant de miel que lorsqu'on fête l'anniversaire de Winnie. So here we have the expression il y a in the future tense. There will be. Then we've got comparison, autant de and que. So autant de means as much. So there will be as much honey as lorsque is when. It means the same thing as quand. Lorsqu'on fête l'anniversaire de Winnie. One celebrates the birthday of Winnie the Pooh. So we can put it in the passive voice. There will be as much honey as when Winnie's birthday is celebrated. Number 2. Porcinet a les plus petits pieds que Maître Hibou n'ait jamais vu. So we have Piglet, and then Maître Hibou. That means Maître is a teacher, and Hibou is Al. So that's what Al's name is in French. Piglet has les plus petites. So that's the smallest feet that Al has ever seen. Et vu is in the that's the past subjunctive with the jamais, ne jamais around it. Piglet has the smallest feet that Al has ever seen. Que l'on mange des bonbons, que l'on se promène en forêt, Winnie sera très content. So here we've got two queues, which we can translate as whether. Whether one eats candy, bonbon is a normal word for candy, or one se promener means to walk around or to hike or go for a walk. We get our word promenade from there. L'on se promène en forêt. Winnie sera très content. So whether they eat candy or walk in the woods, Winnie will be very happy. Que Winnie sorte de la tanière de Coco Lapin rapidement. Here we have que introducing a third-person imperative. One of the themes in Winnie the Pooh is that Winnie goes and visits Rabbit and eats lots of Rabbit's food, and one time he got so fat he wasn't able to get out. And they had to figure out some way to get him out, and it took so long to get him out. Could Winnie, so we can translate this, may Winnie get out of the rabbit's den rapidly. Tanière is a rabbit's den. Coco Lapin is rabbit's name. So may Winnie get out of Rabbit's den quickly.